Using the PRO-LOGIX PL6850 in charge mode provides ultra-fast charging times. This is ideal for heavy-duty service on vehicles or equipment with multiple batteries. The unit can output 10, 40, 60, or 120 amps on the 12-volt setting, and 10, 40, or 60 amps on the 24-volt setting, and requires a 20 amp AC input. The unit comes with 13-foot cables to make reaching any battery a breeze regardless of its location. Battery types supported for charging are flooded, AGM, spiral wound, deep cycle, and marine lead acid batteries, plus lithium iron phosphate or LFP lithium batteries. The unit deploys a multi-phase charging routine with temperature compensation for beneficial service. When charging a depleted battery, the unit will use a soft start mode. If the battery is damaged or sulfated, the unit will go into repair mode. This is important for fleet charging situations where usage patterns often result in the battery pack reaching a low state of charge. The battery repair mode can reverse the damage caused by these low charge conditions. The combination of specific battery type charging routines, temperature compensation, and special engagement modes based on battery condition means that each charging event results in the battery getting exactly what it needs for its specific situation.